Welcome back to another video from Insectech's Android Application Penetration Testing course. With this video, we're going to start a new module named Automated Assessments with Drozer. So basically, Drozer is a framework for Android security assessments, and it is developed by MWR Labs. Basically, if you remember, so far we have done all the assessments using manual techniques. We didn't use any automated tools to perform this pen testing of OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities on Android applications. But in this module, we're gonna see a new tool or automated tool which can be used to perform automated assessments of your Android applications. So according to their official documentation, this Drozer is a tool which allows you to assume the role of an Android application which sits on the same device, and it helps you to and it interacts with other applications through Android's inter-process communication mechanism and the underlying operating system. Right, so it has got nice modules such as leaking content providers, SQL injection, local file inclusion, and a couple of other interesting modules. We'll see some of them in this module. So before going ahead and using this Drozer tool, we need to set it up in your system. So these are the steps to install Drozer in your system. The first step is you need to install JDK and SDK, and then we have to go to this link and download Drozer setup file. If you are using Windows, it is very simple, because all you need to do is click next, finish. It will automatically install everything for you. So once after installing this, you can simply go ahead and launch your Drozer. In case of Linux or Mac systems, you need to install some additional dependencies. So once after setting everything up, you can actually go ahead and use this Drozer tool in your system. But before doing that, you need to also install this agent.apk in your device. The device in the sense this particular emulator. So let's see how to install this. In my case, I have already installed everything. So if you just install Drozer, you can actually invoke it by just typing the command Drozer. In case of your Windows systems, you just navigate to the directory where you have installed, like cd Drozer and whatever that you have. So once after navigating to that, just type drozer.bat. That will actually invoke Drozer for you. If you face any problems, you may actually go ahead and see Drozer's documentation. Every single step that is required for installation is given there. So once after installing Drozer in your system, you also need to install Drozer agent in your emulator. So this is where my Drozer agent is sitting. As you can see, agent.apk. So you just give adb space install space agent.apk. It actually goes ahead and gets installed on your device. As you can see, it is success. It is installed in your device. Now if you just go ahead and see the emulator, as you can see, there is one application which is running over there. If you start it, it says there is an embedded server which is running on port number 31415. So if you start this application here, it will be running on 31415 port. So to use this from your system, we need to forward all the commands that are coming onto your system to this particular device, the server which is running on the device. So to do that, we can actually use adb forward tcp 31415 space tcp 31415. So any command that is coming to your device will actually be redirected to the remote device. Now if you type Drozer console connect, you will actually get a Drozer console where you can run all the commands to do your pen tests. So this is how you can actually set up your Drozer in your system. So once you are set with everything in your system, you can actually go ahead and start assessing the security of your Android applications. So that's all I have in my mind for this video. In the next video, we'll see how to start pen testing your applications using Drozer. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot.